Okay, so what we've got here is a junction that's leaking. It's a double Y junction on 2 toilets. And we've got pitting holes through the copper, which we've got to fix up. So we're going to coat this line, both junctions, and then it will be watertight. So here's a view. So the copper's been cleaned. It's a double Y junction. So it goes out into another room there. We've got to coat all of that. That's up the vert. We're not coating up there. But we are, as you can see, pitted holes. That white you can see is actually eaten right through the copper. And we're going to coat down through this section and coat over the tops of these and coat down through to here. You can also see some holes just there.
No more, no more.
If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to click the notifications bell to get notified when we post new videos.